On behalf of my fellow board members, I'd like to welcome all of you today and thank you all for coming. All of you in one way or another have contributed to making this possible. It takes the community as a whole to build or to grow a building like this.
This campus is a demonstration of AICC's commitment to help grow our region by making our communities cool, creative, connected, and prosperous. What we hope to do is to make a community in the best community we can in which to live, become educated, work, and play, and the community where our children and our grandchildren will stay and live and become educated and work and play.
When you think about why the John Deere Foundation invested in this project, there were a number of reasons, but there are two that rise to the top. When we think about the key factors that contribute to a strong, prosperous economy, one rises to the top in particular, and that's talent. That's an educated workforce. And facilities like this, Don, and Don's commitment and his team's commitment to education are critical to that success in the future. Also, when you think about the nice addition this adds to the downtown Davenport infrastructure.
The focus truly has been on creating jobs for the Quad City community, making our downtowns, not only downtown Davenport, but all the downtowns, a better place for all of us, and a strong focus on education. And I think you can look around the Quad City community and the commitments Dick has made, not only to Eastern Iowa Community College. Clearly he has put his money where the Bechtel family wanted the money to go.
This just means so much to me and means so much to our organization and the downtown property owners and businesses that we represent. Don's vision and numerous other people, Sam and others, have gone together to see this thing through. There's been a lot of folks that did not think this would happen, didn't believe it was possible, and yet here we are standing today celebrating its opening. I take immense pride in that, and I hope this community does too.
We have two beautiful mid-century modern buildings connected by a connector, ready for our community, ready for our students to come here and have rich beginnings, rich endings in terms of graduation or certificates or courses they might need to be successful in this beautiful place that is a beacon in the heart of Davenport.